Okay, I'm going to show you how you can use Destiny Discover to create your own collections of books that relate to a similar topic. You can also include other resources. So say you're doing a research project and you want to find everything we have on the Holocaust. So the first thing you're going to do in Destiny Discover, make sure number one, you are signed in. You have to be signed in for this to work. You'll click in the upper left corner and choose Collections. And that should take you into a page of collections. It may show you some featured and public collections, but you will click on your private tab, and what you're going to do is create a new collection. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to title this Holocaust Research. So say that's my topic that I'm writing a paper on. And then you can keep it private, that only you want to see it, or you can share it with other people. I'm not sure if your settings will change this or not, but you know, just in case it is. And if you want to put a description, you can, but I'm going to go ahead. You can go ahead and create, but you can also, you know, apply it to specific grade levels. So if I were doing this for my library, I might note that it's high school, and then I could note the subject area if I wanted to, so that's social studies. You can change your image and make it something, you know, more interesting. So maybe I want a picture of books, and then you will hit create. So first you have to create the collection, and then you can start adding items. So say I'm going to go do a search on Holocaust and see what comes up in our catalog. Alright, so here's several books that we have. And so say I kind of look at the book, you might want to look at some things like when was it published, maybe the reading level and the interest level. If it's something that's kind of on a low level, you might want to reconsider that as a, you know, good source of information. Just kind of depends. Not everything will have that, you know, and maybe poetry is not going to be something that you would want to add. But say you wanted to add this book to your collection, all you do is just click Add to Collection, and it's going to list the collections you have created. So this is the first one, so I'm going to go ahead and click Add, and so it's going to add that. So I can kind of scroll through, look at different things, and keep adding books to my collection. All right, you can also add digital books. So if you click on the digital tab, so you can kind of scroll down and look at different things that might be available. And so maybe I want this book, and I'll add that to my collection. So again, you have to choose the collection. But the cool thing about this is that you can also add other resources. So let's go to our collection again. You're going to click on the left, click Collections, and go to your private collections and click on the one that you created. Okay, and eventually I think the images will start showing up. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to a website. I'm going to go to the Holocaust Museum website, and I'm going to copy that link. All right, and then I'm going to click in the bottom corner where this little plus symbol is, and this is going to be my URL link that I can add. So I can add that, and you can check that it's appropriate for all users or for your use, and then just click Add. And so that is a digital web page that it will add for you as well. So say that I went to history.com and I wanted this as part of my collection, and I can click the plus, go ahead and add that, and there's my collection. So that's how you can create your own collection so that you can go back and refer to this. If there's just a list of books that you want to read, you can look at that and then go from there. So just different collections that you can make and create for your own use.